11. Verse 1 in the book of Hebrew.
Oh, la.
Oh, pati.
Now faith hope for the evidence of things not seen. Yeah.
One.
Di yan na yung mga isa.
Ay, laki, hindi nga pinakita. Memorize mo yun.
Ayun.
Tignan natin.
Yan, chinecheck nila yung binasa. Kung tama nga ba o hindi memorize.
Okay. In 2 Corinthians, verse 7, chapter 5.
Tayo.
Tayo ka.
For we walk by faith, not by sight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Pastor.
Galing.
Jan. First Jan.
Yeah. Okay. In the book of James, chapter 1, verse 6. James, chapter 1, verse 6.
Chapter 1, verse 6.
James 1, chapter 1, verse 6. Una. Sina?
Sige, basa agad.
Hindi ko na mabasa.
But let him ask in faith, nothing wavering, for he that is not unlike a wave of the sea driven with the wind and tossed.
Okay.
Anong name mo, sis?
Okay. Verse 1, chapter 14.
Yeah, but not to the expectation.
Okay.
Ay, Sister Mary Jane, bakit nakatayo ka na?
Yan ang question. Pag natapos yun, nandito na lang.
Kung sino ang pinakamarami,
Okay.
yun ang mananalo.
Next is... Oh, yeah, close the Bible. Up the Bible.
Bible's up! Bible's up! Oh, Bible's up! Sister Susie! Sister Susie! Oh, Bible's up! Sister Susie!
Tapos sabi nung mag-go ka.
Okay. In verse 17,
Verse 17.
chapter 2, in the book of James. Go! Verse 17, chapter 2, in the book of James.
Basa!
Okay, basa.
Basa!
Essence of faith is it has not worked, that being alone.
Okay. Sino na ang
Start out na.
Okay. May dalawang verse pa. Bible's up, may dalawang verse pa. Okay. Chapter 16. In the book of 1 Corinthians, verse 13. Didaliktad ko lang. In the verse, chapter 16, in the book of 1 Corinthians, verse 13.
You like men be strong.
Yes.
Yes!
Okay, last one.
Pag may tayo, yan ang pala.
Ay, Sister Mary Jane, bilisan mo yan may katay ka.
Chapter 11, verse chapter 11, verse 11 in Hebrew. Go.
And was delivered of the child when she was past age, because he judges him faithful who had from
Yes.
Ah!
Last question.
Meron pa last question.
What is the keyboard?
Ay, tayo pala.
Wait! Ah!
Sister Mary Jane.
Panalo.
Oh, next. Group 2. Sino na?